each living one. The strength of life without the speed of defense. It's got the virus in your eyes, helps us win the fight. Steal the night, win the fight, feel it under your skin. With all your might, keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Like speed it up, can't stop, cause it feels like an overdose. Evacuate my body, I'm infected by a virus. Some I think it's killing me. Hey, Mr. Macrofix, he's still the thing that's killing me. Evacuate my body, I'm infected by a virus. Some I think it's killing me. Hey, Mr. Macrofix, he's still the thing that's killing me.
Come on and evacuate, feel the body's heating up. Brady can stimulate the pain, push the platelets to the top. Come on and evacuate, feel the skin is reddening. Move bacteria out of the wound and you don't have to be afraid.
Now guess who's back with the backup plan? It's got everybody in the blood going mad. So B cells in the blood get you anybody's pumping and just kill that thing. Go crazy, yo B cell, yo T cell, we see you kill that thing. Now call the cytotic T, we see you take it to the lysosome.
Evacuate my